All right, time out for a hot second. Listen, y'all seem happy. The child seems old enough to safely bed share with an adult. It's working for you. It's working for you. Great. Do your thing. What I take issue with as a sleep doctor for children is that oftentimes I see really young kids in these videos, like infants that are bed sharing, which is, we know, unsafe. And then they flip to a bunch of animal videos and say, this is how nature intended it, as if to convince other people they should do the same thing and make them feel bad for not doing it. Listen, nature also poops out in public. You know, nature doesn't wear clothing. Nature eats raw meat. Nature doesn't get vaccinated. Sometimes nature eats its own young. I don't think we should be modeling our behavior after animals and necessarily take that as the morally correct thing to do, because we're human beings, not wild animals, and we should behave like it.